Hello and welcome to Remedial Massage. Super simple setup to give a great remedial treatment. I'm Robert Murphy and I've been practicing massage full time for 5 years now. I also run a little clinic in Orange, New South Wales, Australia, where I've been doing this for, as I said, full time for 5 years. So during this course we're going to look at what it takes to go from not knowing much to being able to give an effective treatment. Now, disclaimer on that, this course will not make you a qualified massage therapist. It takes at least a couple of years training to become a fully qualified massage therapist who's able to give back, your Medicare rebates or have anything to do with those health fund sort of issues. So, if this course enlightens you into what you want to do, go and do a fully qualified registered training course. But if you've already done that, if you're perhaps looking for a new angle on things or refining those techniques, this is a course for you. Or if you just want to be able to treat friends and family, simple, easy techniques to be able to give them some relief, then by all means, continue on with this course. Because that's what we're going to go through. We're going to be going through things like what oils to use, table considerations, client comfort considerations, as well as diagnosing the posture to see what deviations we can see and what they might be doing to the body before we actually get into the massage itself. So the aim of this is to make a course as accessible to anybody, both in price and in languaging and everything like that as well. So I'm not a big fan of talking so people can't understand you just to make myself feel smarter. So I will be saying, for instance, the medial side or towards the middle, or the lateral aspect of the muscle or towards the end of the muscle, for instance, so that everybody keeps up. Because I'm all about including everybody in this. I don't want you to, feel left out or dumb, for lack of a better word, by taking this course. So, we will be going through the whole body, so right from the neck, parts of the head, through the back, the arms, legs, feet, hands, everything within this course. So, first up, some basic considerations in the next lesson.